This clip is an open letter to the DAVINCI team. The best tool you've added so far is the film look creator. Don't get me wrong, the tool is great, but it can be perfect with some simple things. I know that we have all these other tools to achieve everything, but you have to keep in mind that the majority of the users are indie filmmakers like me, and this kind of tools are the most efficient. There is a reason why film emulation plugins are so popular. I guess there are a lot of users that have the free version of DaVinci, but paid for some film plugin. How to make the film look creator perfect, and kill every plugin. The layout is good. Let's start with the preset menu. First of all, you need to add more presets and change the naming to some popular film stocks, and try to make it look like those films. Doesn't need to be exactly the same, but close enough is good. Somewhere between 10 to 15 should be fine, also a couple of black and white would be nice. Last thing for the preset panel is to have the possibility to save our own presets and export them. Next we have this new film look panel. Rename it to negative film, and again use some popular negative film stocks for the naming and the color. For the color settings panel, just move the skin bias slider from the film look and it's done. Next and most important, what is missing is the film print option. You already have some great emulation, maybe add few more, and again add some black and white also. The rest of the panels are perfect. Minor things that can be included is a film burn option and dust elements. I strongly believe that if you perfect this tool, it can be the best selling point for the software.